All right, so to start this off, first thing you want to do is pop this hood, baby. Oh yeah, she clean. She real clean. Man, so these are the LED headlight bulbs I have. They're 6000K. I'm not mistaken, they're H11s. It doesn't say nowhere on the box. Oh, maybe it's back here. It's not checked off. Okay, but these are H11s. And to change out this angel projector here, it is right there. So if you look, this is the fuse box here. This is the intake, the battery. So if you go in this direction towards the right, it's going to be right there. Now to take these off, you have to disconnect the plug first and then twist off the light bulb itself. So let me see if I can do that with my left hand. You press down the little clip in the back, pull down. Then once you do that part, this is the easy part. You just twist it off and then it comes right out. So once that's done, you crack open the box. Man, it's hard to get sponsorships. I reached out to a company called O.E.M. They have LED headlights and I got no response from them. So I just jumped on eBay, or was it Amazon? I jumped on Amazon or eBay, one of those two. And I ordered these. Supposedly they're good. Comes with a little fan in the back. And yeah, they plug right in. The one thing I like to do though is I like to look at the orientation. So we have two fat ones on the bottom and a skinny one on top. And if you look at this one, you have... All right guys, so I made a mistake. So I bought the high beams and low beams. The ones I took out of the car, it does not say it here, which I thought, but I think these are H11s and I put it on the high beam section. So it's in the high beam right now. And that's where it fit. I need to get the regular low beam bulbs from inside. I'll go grab those in a second, but I just want to see how these look. So I'm gonna plug this in, make sure it turns on. Now guys, look at this. This is the passenger side I haven't done yet. And then look at the driver's side between the two. But basically this is what it's gonna look like. All right, so I just grabbed this from out of the house and this one actually says H11. So this is for the low beams. And then the other box, this one is for high beams. I'm assuming that this has a number to do with high beams. I could be wrong, I never looked it up, but for sure this is the H11 for the low beams. And then this is the company. All right, so let me install the low beam on the driver's side so you can get a difference as to what they look like compared to each other. And then, yeah, let's see what this looks like. Another thing too, if you decide to order this kit, I would just, before you put them in, just compare them. So if you look at this one, this is a lot smaller on this part here than the high beam. This one's a lot bigger. So here, let me see if I can compare the two. So like if you look at this, one is smaller than I'm talking about this flare out part. One's smaller than the other. And then this ring is red, that one's black. But yeah, all right, so let me just hook this up real quick. So basically this goes inside. Try not to bang up the fan too much. Let me see, let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can get a better view. And there we go. And then just twist until it locks. All right, that one locked. And then on this part, I realized if you want it to work the first time, oh, there it is. If you look on the back part of it, it has a plus and minus. It has a plus and minus. And then the cable, for me, ground is always black. For me, ground is always black, and then the color is always power. So if you look at this, you look for ground. Ground is on the left side and black is on the left side. So when I connect them, it's gonna basically be like this. I don't want to cut the camera off so you guys can see, but see if I can get it. Boom. Oh, okay, I think it's already touching. So if I arm and disarm the car, it should come on. And no. All right. All right, so now if you look, this side is pure white. And then if you look on this side's yellow. So let's wait till the sun completely goes down so you guys can get a better vision of what it looks like with bright LEDs for headlights and then yellow ambers for fog lights. The car is coming out amazing. All right guys, so now I officially have the LEDs on both passenger and driver side of the car. I'm gonna wait to see the difference. I'll ride around the neighborhood to give you guys a better look. But I want to thank you guys for watching this Honda CR-V LED front headlight, high beams and low beam replacement. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.